We have a cover here for a rapid water level control that needs a stiffening rib for strength and an inset for a warning decal. The new design needs more clearance for internal components, so an offset surface will work nicely. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, faces that can't be offset the desired amount are automatically identified and highlighted in our tree. You can then view and remove these failing faces to build the remaining geometry all at once. This streamlined workflow simplifies the process of creating offset surfaces, saving you time when creating complex geometry. From here, SOLIDWORKS' powerful surfacing tools makes it easy to clean up the remaining surfaces and create a design that can be injection molded. To finish the design, we can use a surface thicken to create a constant wall thickness in our part. New in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you have the option to thicken the surface equally in both directions. More options available for you to simplify your part modeling and help you to get to market faster. Our finished design looks great, meets our design requirements, and is ready to be manufactured.